Geometry, right? You know, first here, just divide these two parts of geometric. Geo means S. You know, metric means measurement. You know, right? Everything well, learning in this topic. Get ready for that. It's a so simple topic and very important also. Right? Are you ready? Right. Geometry. In this first, what is that? Is first point. Do you know about the point? What is called point? Yeah? Tell me. Yes. Simple. A fixed dot. You will know the dot. Fixed dot. That is called point. Not for this is point, right? Point. Right. What is it? Fixed point. You know the dot is called point. Everyone clear? Point. After that, what is the line segment? What is the line segment? Here also, what is a point is there. So, what is the line segment? You will know. Here. How many points there? These 2 points. This is. What is the set? Line segment. What? Line segment has 2 end points, right? One is what is here? Again, one is here. This is what is the symbol? Line segment. Is it clear? Point means simple. A dot is called as a point. Okay. After that, line segment. You will know here a fixed distance. How it is, that is, you know, here. 2 dots between distance. Fixed. So it is a line segment. So line segment has dash end point. Tell me, boys. Yes, very good. Line segment has 2 end points. Is clear? Good. Go to next. What is that? Is total is an introduction. Once you will know this, very easy this topic, right? Now, ray. What is the ray? Almost all members you will know that ray. Right, very good. What is here? This is, it is line, not ray. So after one arrow is here. What is here? One dot. So this name, what is this is? A ray. You know, ray has how many endpoints? Tell me, students. Ray has, yes, very good. Only one endpoint. Line segment has 2 endpoints. Ray has 1 endpoint. Is clear, everybody? Dot, point. Here 2 dots. Or line is a fixed distance right here. This is a line segment. Line segment has 2 endpoints. Here ray. What is here? Dot and 1 arrow. So that what is this? Ray is here. Ray has how many endpoints? Yes, very good. Ray has how many? 1 endpoint. Line segment has 2 endpoints. Right. The next one you will know line. What is a line? All members you will know line. Go in line, come in line. That's most of the members you will know. Very good. Line. What is here? Straight line, curved line. 2 there. What is the here? Like this is this one curved line. And what is here? 2 sets arrow mark. It is there. Right. This is straight line. Curved line, straight line. Clear? Curved. What is it? Curved. Curved line. Here. Straight. 2 sets arrow mark. So, what is here differences you understood here? Curved line, straight line. Lines and differences you understood, right? One curved, another one straight. Straight. What is that? Is the meaning? 2 sets arrow marks. You will know that. What is here? Straight line. Here you will know line segment has 2 endpoints. Ray has 1 endpoint. Now line has how many endpoints? Come on, get it, students. Yes, very good. You are correct. What is it? Line has no endpoint. Why? Here left side is extending, right side also extend. You will know that going 2 sides hit. You will know here side and here side. So this is a line. What line? Straight line. So line has no end point. Why? There's too many points here. But where is it? What is the meaning of arrow? It's going. When you observe the roadside, you will know. Suppose you're visiting any new village. The time is what is that is a village side. One arrow mark. Okay, and village name. Suppose what is that is Bandalingapur. Right. How is that? Suppose observe here, PLP Bandalingapur, right? What is the mean? This way, which village? Bandalingapur. That means here only, it is only Bandalingapur? No. What is that is? Exchange. You will be moved this side. So, the village definitely Bandalingapur. That is the meaning you understood? So that's more useful the symbol time also this is. Okay. So once again, point means simple dot and it is a line segment. So line segment has two end points. Ray. What is here? One side arrow. Here one end point. It is a ray. Ray has how many end points? Only one end point. And line. Two sides. Arrow mark. Line in again somebody to doubt. What is it? Curved line. Straight line. Okay. This line has how many end points? No end point. So, what is here? Line segment has two end points. Ray has one end point. Line has no end point. In this, which one is the, suppose your line segment, what is that is a ray and line. Which one has a fixed length one? Which is the fixed length? Yeah. Ray or line segment? Tell me. Fixed distance. Where? Yes. Line segment. Why? Because of two end points. Then here is a fix. But here observe the ray is extending. Only told what is the reason Bandalingapur here only not. It's so that is the way. Now line. Two side choice. Like right and left. So both sides the choice. You know. That is the differences. So these symbols also many places in indicating some different one, right? So it is clear for the dot. What is that is a point and two end points. One is the fixed length. One is line segment and one side arrow mark. This is a ray. It's the line. It's clear, everyone. Then next, go through that. What is it? Is open, close, open figure and closed figure. So point, line segment, ray, line is clear, everyone. What is the geometry? You know, understood geometry means? Geo means S, you know, and metric means measurement. That's how you calculate the measurements. You will know that what is it? Geometry. Clear? Now the geometry is the main point. Point, that is in only there. Point, what is that is? Like a dot. And line segment, ray, line is clear. Now go to the next one. What is that is? Open figure. What is that is the open figure? You know, open. What? Like this. You know, suppose it is a open figure, right? And it is also open figure. One see, open, here, open, right? And suppose you observe what is here. This is also open. Why? Here open place only no. So you will know open figure, teaser, right? Simple. What is the meaning of open? Here you feel this is the starting point, then this is you feel as an ending point. Everybody, simple definition this is, everybody observe, open figure means nothing. This is you feel like a starting point. Then this is you feel like a ending point. Here also, starting point, ending point. Here, suppose starting point, ending point. What is here? What observed here? What noticed here? Yes, very good. Starting point and ending point not joined. Yes. Here joined? No. Here? No. Here? No. So, simple one. Starting point and ending point is not joined, right? Not made. That is called open figure. Simple. Is open figure, right? Open up? Yes, because of gap. Open, right? Open. Clear? Open figure is clear. Next, closed figure. Simple one. The what is here? Suppose it is a starting point. Now it's an ending point. See what happens. meet. So starting point and ending point just meet. What happened? It's a closed figure. Next here observe starting point and ending point. What happened? Join. So closed figure. The difference you understood? Open figure, closed figure. Open figure, closed figure. Simple. Is there any hard? Clear. Just starting and ending. It's not joined. So it's a open figure, right? That is called open figure. Then starting point and ending point. So join. What is that? Is closed figure. Is it closed figure? Now it's a closed or open? Tell me. Yeah. Is a starting you feel? It's an ending feel. Right now. What happened is here? Yes. So it is a closed figure. What is open figure? What is a closed figure? Clear? Open means starting point and ending point not joined. Here closed figure time, starting point and ending point both are joined. That's why this is a open figure. This is a closed figure. It's on what is here? Open figure, the closed figure. Clear? Yeah. What is that? Is open figure, closed figure. Simple. What is the starting point? What is the ending point? You will know that it is a meet totally closed, not meet. Then now closed, that is open. Clear? So what is the open figure and what is the closed figure? Clear? So next, polygon. Here, who will know these two definitions? That remember, this is so simple. What is here? Open, closed. Closed meaning what is that? Is the starting point and ending point. That you know that. Now what is here? Polygon. A closed figure, right? 3 or more. 3 or more lines. Closed figure are called polygon. Suppose an example. Observe here. What is here? 1 line, 2, 3. What happened here? Observe. 1, 2, 3. How many lines is here? 3 lines. And also, what is this figure? Closed or open? Tell me. It is a closed. Why? See, sir, starting and ending point. Fine. Then it is a closed figure, right? A closed figure. How many lines? 3. So it is a polygon, right? Clear? What is here? Another one example. Observe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? How many is here? 4 lines. And this is what? Closed figure. So it is also polygon. Are you understood? So simple. A closed figure formed by what is here? 3 or more lines. That is polygon. So polygons in different types it is here, right? Once observe that what is here. Suppose an example just I written here. Observe what is a polygon. Clear? First you select. Suppose one member to coming, one out, right? Then observe here. 1, 2, 3 lines. How many? 1, 2, 3 lines. Is it polygon? Tell me. No. Why? 1, 2, 3 lines, okay, but that is not a closed figure. That's why it is a polygon. None. Right? Not a polygon. Must you want what? Closed. How that is 3 lines? 1, 2, 3. So it is a polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also polygon. Why? A closed figure, right? Formed by 3 or more lines. Not a problem. Suppose somebody to coming one out. Sir, here 3 or more means only 4 or not 4. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is here? 5 lines. It is also what? Polygon only, no? So what is the meaning of the polygon? You understood here? Simple. A closed figure formed by 3 or more lines. Okay? So 3 lines, polygon, 4 lines, polygon, 5 lines, polygon, 6 lines, also polygon. But must what? Close. What is the close meaning? You know? Starting point, ending point. Try. Clear? Any doubt? Very good. So, in the polygon, what is it? Suppose, observe here. How I written? Triangle. What is here? Triangle. In this, what is triangle? It is a polygon only. Why, sir? Simple. Triangle means what is here? A closed figure formed by three line segments. Observe here. Suppose here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. How many line segments is here? Right. 1, 2, 3. A closed figure formed by three line segments are called triangle. What is a triangle? You understand, all of you? Simple. So triangle is a polygon or not? Tell me. Yes, very good. Triangle is a polygon. Why, sir? It's a closed figure and formed by three line segments. So simple, what it is? Clear, everybody? So what is a triangle? Triangle is a closed figure, yes, formed by three line segments. Simple, no? Definition of triangle, what's right here? A closed figure formed by three line segments are called triangle. Is it clear? So, about this triangle, once observe here, I am drawing here, what is this? Yeah, what is this? A closed figure formed by how many line segments? Once observe here, many members. 1, 2, 3. So how many line segments are here? Yes, 3 line segments. A closed figure formed by 3 line segments are called triangle, right? In this triangle, how many sides? Tell me. Sides. How many sides? Yes. It is a one side. Suppose you observe here A, okay, A, B, C. So here A, B is one side, right? One side. And next B, C is the second side, right? And next C, A, it is the third side. How many sides total here? Yes, triangle has 3 sides. How many? 3 sides. So it's clear about the sides? Everyone, triangle has 3 sides. Here simple one, AB, BC, CA. Right? Next, what is these angles? Suppose angles. What? Observe this figure. Is it triangle or not first? Yes, it's a triangle. Why? It is a closed figure formed by 3 line segments. That's why it is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. It's clear. How many angles? So triangle has how many angles? Yes, 3 angles. Triangle has 3 angles. Simply what is here observed? It is one angle, right? And it is also one angle. And it is also one angle. So angle A, angle B, angle C. How many angles is here? 3 angles. Simply what? Angle A, angle B, angle C. Clear? Any hard? Otherwise, what is here, sir? Angle A, B, C. That means middle one B. Next, angle B, C, A. That means angle C. Angle C, A, B. That means angle A. That is also one way. But simply what is here? Triangle has 3 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Clear? Next, what is that is vertices, right? How many? That is same. Here note how it is, that is inside is called angle. Here observe here is an angle. So here outside, what is this is? Note like is appearing, no? That is a vertex. You know that's how many? 1, 2, 3. So how many vertices here? A, B, C. 3. Clear? So triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. Clear? But one question is here, that is the most important one. Triangle has dash parts. Someone tell me, how many parts has a triangle? Tell me. Yes. Many members telling what is it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. No. Somebody telling what is it is year 3, year 3, year 3. Nice. No. Only 6 parts. Triangle how many parts? Triangle has 6 parts. What is that is? 3 sides, 3 angles. Why? Because of inside is the angle, outside that is only the vertices. That's right. Triangle has 6 parts. Okay. Important. Choose the correct answer. Then remember it is here. What? Triangle has 6 parts. What are they? 3 sides, 3 angles. Is clear? Very good. Then after you understood one thing, what is it is a closure figure found by the 3 line segments are called triangle. Then triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles you will know, and the triangle has 6 parts you will know. Something is here when what is here? Suppose you want any triangle perimeter. How to find the perimeter of a triangle? Come and tell me. Yeah, perimeter of a triangle. How? Yes, so simple. What is here? Perimeter. Meaning what is that is you? The boundary place only now. Interior place is called as an area. You will know. Inside occupied place is the area. Outside, what is the fetching? This boundary place. This is only now perimeter? Yes. Then how to calculate this? Simple. All sides sum. How? Suppose here AB plus BC plus CA. It is more useful. Why? Because of it is not only in the geometry. When you went in the algebra topic, that time what is the different type of figures is giving. There is suppose a triangle is given. Find the perimeter of a triangle like that is asking. So that time what is the just you observe what is given AB meter and what is given BC meter and what is given AC meter. That's all addition do it. Then simple, that is only the perimeter. Suppose here observe what I am writing is here 3x, right, and 2x, and here is a 5x. AB, how much I written? 3x. Suppose here what is I written? 3x. Okay, here 2x, then here 5x. What is this perimeter? Come and tell me, students. Yes, what is the formula? AB plus BC plus CA. That is only now. So AB plus BC plus CA. Come on. Yes, simple here. What is here? 3x plus, and what is here? 2x plus here what? 5x. So 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 5x, total 10x. So what is this perimeter? 10x. Simple. So suppose is a meter given a meter, kilometer given a kilometer, centimeter given a centimeter. What is that is depend on the problem. But simple, how to find the perimeter of a triangle is easy. Yes, just sum up all 3 sides. AB plus BC plus CA. That addition you do, what is that is? That is only perimeter of a triangle. Is that clear? Very good. So what about the triangle is clear? Simple. Triangle means a closed figure formed by 3 line segments are called as a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices, and 6 parts you will know. And after how to find this perimeter of a triangle is, what is it is? AB plus BC plus CA, sum of all sides. Okay, clear? Next, in this, how many angles you will know? 1, 2, 3. Sum of the 3 angles of a triangle. How much? Tell me. Yes, right, correct. Very good. Sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Simple. How that is, sir? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. It's also important. Why? Because of sometimes 2 angles is giving. What is the third angle? Find out like that. Asking now. What is that is just sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is 180. Just you substitute in this formula. What is that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. Is that clear? One example, observe here. I will tell you. So simple. So I hope you understood what is a triangle is clear and how many parts, right? Everything is clear. Just an observe. Suppose it is a triangle, right? Last property, observe, that is the angle property purpose. Now, okay. So here A, here B, here C. Okay. Then here 50 degrees. Right. How many is here? 50 degrees. Here 60 degrees. Here X. So first angle A, how many degrees is here? 50 degrees. Okay. And angle B is how many degrees? 60 degrees. And angle C, what? X. So find X. That is only no problem. So how it is this? So simple, sir. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. You will know. Then go to that formula. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Then after, you will know remaining one. Yes, substitute this. What is here? Angle A 50 degrees. Right. And after, angle B is 60 degrees. What is here? A 50, B 60, and angle C, what is that is? X. That is equals to 180 degrees. Then that implies here, what is the A? 50 degrees. And what is the B? 60 degrees. 50 plus 60. What? Yes, very good. 110 degrees plus X is equal to 180 degrees. But we want an X value. Then X is equal to the right side. What is it? 180. Here, what is it? Is 110. Here side is the what? Plus. Then transfer that side. Plus becomes a minus. Minus becomes a plus. Then 110 is that minus 110. So finally, what is the result is here? Therefore, X is equals to 180 minus 110. Then X is equal to 70 degrees. So simple. It can be your higher classes, right? Your 78, 9th standard. But so simple only, no? How just sum of the three angles of a triangle is equals to 180. That's one you know. Any problem same. How it is see simple. Here 50, here 60. Total 110. Is it clear? This 110. But sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180. 180 minus 110. What is the result? 70. Clear? That's why X value is 70. So it's looking like a large problem, but so simple now here. So that's why above the triangle is clear. Once again observe, triangle means nothing, so simple. A closed figure formed by the three line segments are called triangle. Okay? Triangle has three sides, three angles, three vertices. Total parts, 6 parts. You know, 3 sides and 3 angles. Next, what is it? How to find that is the perimeter of a triangle? Simple. 3 sides sum. How? AB plus BC plus CA. And how to find the third angle or 2 angles? Just you remember, sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. This one you will know. How many problems also? So simple. Clear about this? Triangle is clear? And triangles in sides also you will know. What is that is you will know? Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, right? So suppose here 2 centimeter, here 2 centimeter, here 2 centimeter. All 3 sides are equal. Then this is called as a equilateral triangle, right? And any 2 sides, suppose this one side and this one side are equal. Here how many? Just 2 sides are equal, right? This is isosceles triangle. Next, no 2 sides are equal. So all 3 different. Suppose here different. Okay, here this one different and this one different. So 3 are different. Suppose. Then what is it? Is scalene triangle. Equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangle. This is based on sides. Okay, based on sides. These 3 types. Okay. All in 3 sides, this one, this one, this one. 3 sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Only 2 sides are equal, isosceles triangle. No one same here, right? Every 2 are different only now. So here different, here different, here different. 3 are different. So that is scalene triangle. This is based on sides and based on angles to also same. What is that is you will know. Equilateral triangle, how like that is you will know. Same angle. Acute angle triangle. In this triangle, all three angles are acute angles. Suppose this example, here what is this? Is a 60, here 50, here x what is you got 70. 50, 60, 70. These all are acute angles only. No? That's why it is a acute angle triangle. In the triangle, all three angles are acute. That is called acute angle triangle. Clear? In the triangle, all three angles are acute. That is called acute angle triangle. Clear? Then suppose in a triangle, what is it is here? Observe. In this triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. Suppose you feel it. Okay. So that is 90. What is the 90? You will know 90 degrees. Yes, right angle. You will know right angle triangle. In a triangle, any one angle is 90 degrees. That one is called right angle triangle. Clear? In a triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. That one called yes, right angle triangle. In a triangle, all are acute angles. Yes, that is acute angle triangle. In a triangle, in one angle, any one angle is 90 degrees. That one is called simply right angle triangle. Okay. Suppose not like that and observe. It is also triangle only. So what is here? Observe. It's not 90, more than 90. Right? That means acute angle. Right? So what is here? Yes, tell me. More than 90, below 180. That is acute angle only, no? So in a triangle, any one angle is acute. So that is what is that is? Acute angle triangle. This is based on angle. Then based on sides, so what is that is equilateral, axial, scalene. It's the difference. Here acute, right angle and acute angle. That is the difference. Clear? And once again, a closed figure found by the three line segments are called a triangle. Triangle has three sides, three angles, three vertices, 6 parts total, and sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay? And any triangle perimeter, how like you find? Just sum of all sides, that means three side sum. And after what is the result? Based on the sides to 3 times, based on angles to also 3 times. This is simple about the polygons in a triangle. Clear? So triangle is over. Any doubts again in the triangle? Very good. Let's go to the next one. What is here? Triangle is finished. Simple. Okay. Those are not written. The members are right. That what is here? It's simple. A closed figure found by the three line segments are called triangle. Okay. Polygons in triangle is clear. Now next to go to that quadrilateral. Wow. It is also polygon. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. Why sir? Quadrilateral means simple. A closed figure formed by 4 line segments. How many line segments? 4. Here observe one. Yeah. What is this? Is a quadrilateral. How? A closed figure formed by 4 line segments are called quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? Clear definition? Student, note down. A closed figure formed by 4 line segments are called quadrilateral. 3 line segments at a time, triangle. Now just 3 replace, what should I? Yes, just 4. Then that is only quadrilateral. One definition you will know properly, then automatically next one so simple. A closed figure found by the 3 line segments are called a triangle. A closed figure found by the 4 line segments are called quadrilateral. Clear? Very good. Then go to this quadrilateral. What is here? Suppose here A, B, C and D. How many points is here? Come on, tell me. Yes, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. So how many points is here? 4 points. And here, how many line segments? Tell me. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many line segments has a quadrilateral? 4 line segments. That's why the definition simple. What is that is? A closed figure formed by the 4 line segments are called quadrilateral. Is clear? So quadrilateral has how many sides? Now tell me. Yes. How many? 4 sides. How? AB is one side. Next BC. Next CD. And next DA. AB, BC, CD, DA. Total how many sides? 4 sides. So that's why quadrilateral has dash sides. Tell me, 4 sides. Clear? And quadrilateral has how many angles? How many angles quadrilateral? Yes, 4. Oh, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. What is the interplay? That is only the angle. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. A, B, C, D. 4 points, right? AB one line segment, BC one line segment, CD one line segment, DA one line segment. 4 line segments. Or what is the reason in our side? 4 sides. Next, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. How many? 4 angles. Vertices you know already. What is the vertex you know? A, B, C, D. 4. Simple. Easy no? How to find this perimeter? So how to find this is AB is one side plus AB plus BC plus what next? CD plus DA. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. These 4 sides sum, that is only no perimeter. What is the perimeter? Clear the boundary place you will know. Then that's why just add AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This is the perimeter of a quadrilateral. Here what is given, here what is given, here what is given here. That's all sum. That is only the perimeter of a quadrilateral. Is clear? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Say about clear? 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. And what is here? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This is the perimeter. And what are the angles you will know? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Is that clear? And one more. What is the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle you written? 180 degrees. Now here how many angles? Tell me. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 angles, right? Now, yeah, sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is how much? Yes, very good student. 360 degrees. Clear? Sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Same way. How to find the third angle? How to find the 4th angle? Depend on this is only angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degrees. About the quadrilateral is clear, and the quadrilateral in types again there. That's you are learning other higher classes. But once observe here, simple. Just a closed figure formed by the 4 line segments are called quadrilateral, you know. Then square is one. You will know all of you square. All sides same, that is a square. And rectangle, you will know. Opposite sides are equal. Next, parallelogram. Okay. What is here? Parallelogram. After you will know trapezium, right? And rhombus. Okay. Rhombus. After you know the kite. Square. All sides are equal. Okay. That is a square. Opposite sides are equal. That is a rectangle. Here is a square and rectangle. Then what is here? You will know parallelogram means opposite. Right? Parallel here. Our 2 pair of sides are parallel. That is a parallelogram. And here 1 pair of sides are parallel. That is a trapezium. Here rhombus. It is kite. 5 types. What is it? Quadrilateral. Clear about this? Square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, kite. These are the types of a quadrilateral. Clear about this? Once again, quadrilateral means simple. A closed sphere found by the four line segments are called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has a four sides, four angles, four vertices. Some of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. And types of a quadrilateral you will know already: square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, kite. Okay? So, second polygon, clear about this? Any doubts again in this? Right, very good. After this quadrilateral, so go to the next one. What is the circle? Do you know about the circle? Yes, starting point here and ending point. Join. What is that? Circle. Clear. In the circle, one is here. What is this? Is a point. Tell me what that is. Around the middle one dot. The dot name. Tell me the most important one, right? Then tell me here. What is this? Center. You will know. Everyone. Center. What is it? Suppose here point P. Then this is a center. Clear, everybody? And here center to, suppose I draw it here, it is a A. So what is this? It is a radius. So A to P, the distance is called radius. Okay. It is a P center. Now here AP, what is this? Is a radius. And after same radius, here side also, right side, what is that is happened? Suppose it's a B. So what is here? This P replace I am writing is here O. Now what is this time is center? Tell me. Yes, O is the center, right? And what is here? OA is a radius. And as like OB also radius, right? OA, OB, two radius. Add it. What that is? AB. AB. What that is? Diameter. What is here? Circling radius. What? OA or AO. It is the radius. And also same OB radius. Next center is O. And A to B like AB is a, what is your AB? AB is diameter. Right? O is center. And OA is radius. It is a center. It's a radius. It's a diameter. So clear? And after that, suppose here O to another one I am drawing. What is here? C, suppose. What is this is? Tell me. O to C. What is this? Yes. What is here? Chord. Right? Chord. Next, you want an arc. How it is that is C? Suppose here A, B. Here again one extra point I am taking this an X. So A, X, B. How that right is here? A, X, B. What is this? Arc. Simple. The path of circle in. So here O is a center. OA is radius and OB also radius. What is here? O center. OA is radius. OB also radius. AB is diameter. AB is diameter. And after that, what is it? Yeah. OC is a chord. Okay. And after, what is here? AXB. This is what? Yeah. Arc. Simple. What is the circle in the center? What is the center? What is the radius? What is the diameter? And what is the chord? And what is the arc? Is clear? Any doubts again? So simple a circle. This is a circle, center, radius, complete diameter, chord, and what is here? Arc. So these are the parts of circle. Clear about this? Circle, radius, center, diameter, arc, and chord. This is what? These all are parts of a circle. You will know. Once again, center, radius. Here also radius. This total diameter. This is chord, and this is an arc. How many radius? radius, you know, many, unlimited, you will know, how that is, you will know. So simple. And after, what is that is here? Diameter also many, huh? And chord many. So longest chord only we call diameter. You will know this is, what is here? Arc. So major line segment, minor line segment. More part major, less part minor. How that is, you will know. Major, minor. Less part is minor, more part is major. That's so simple. So about the circle, clear? What is the center? What is the radius? What is the diameter? What is the chord? What is the arc? Clear about this? And major, minor. Clear? So circle is clear, everyone? So simple. Triangle clear, quadrilateral clear, circle clear. Right? Let's go to angles. Any problem? Are you ready? Let's come to here. Then angles. What is an angle? You will know first of all. Yes. A two rays joining at a common end point. You will know here. Observe. Here one ray. Here another one ray. These two rays are joining with one common point. This is called angle. Clear about this angle? Okay. Two rays joining with one common point. That is called angle. Okay. Clear? So types of angles. Once observe how it is, that is 0. Only 0 degrees. That is called zero angle. Okay. What is that is zero angle? Just 0 degrees. No angle. That means suppose here see in my hand. Any angle? No space. So 0. Zero angle is clear. Next. Between 0 and 90. So what is here? 0, above 0, below 90. That means what is here? Between 0 and 90. That angle is called acute angle. What is that? Is it? Acute angle. Here this is 0 angle, only 0 degrees. Suppose here observe my hand to you. So what is here? It is less than 90 degrees. Yes or no? And more than 0 degrees. So what is this? Is an acute. This total. What is this? Is acute angle. That means suppose what is here? 1 degree, 2 degree, 3, 4, up to 89. Right? 0.9. You know that's total acute angle only. But exactly 90 degrees. This is what? Exactly 90 degrees. So that angle is right angle. What is that is angle? Right angle. So exactly 0 angle, and between 0 and 90 acute angle. Then exactly 90 degrees, that is right angle. Okay. Then after between 90, what is that is 90 degrees and 180 between. This is called acute angle. What is that is? Acute angle. Clear? That means 91, 92, 100, 120, 130, 170, 179. It is also acute angle. Clear? And after that, exactly 180 degrees. Exactly 180 degrees. That is called straight angle. What is it? Exactly 180 degrees. Called straight angle. Clear about that? Exactly 180. It is a straight angle. After that, between 180 and what is it? Yes, what is it? You know here. Reflect. How it is possible? Yes, 360. Complete is the 360 only now. So between 180 and 360 is called what is it? Reflect angle. What is this? Between 180. That means 181, 220, 270 or 359. Sorry. This is reflect angle. Clear? And after exactly 360 degrees. Exactly 360 degrees. It is a complete angle. Clear about the angles? Exactly 0. It is a 0 angle. Between 0 and 90, acute angle. Exactly 90, right angle. Between 90 and 180, acute angle. And exactly 180, straight angle. And between 180 and 360, what is it? Reflect angle. Exactly 360, complete angle. Okay? So